Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. There is a huge discussion happening right now in the market about the Adani Group of companies. The Adani Group of companies hit an upper circuit from the past 3 days and now they are in a positive zone. After the Hindenburg report, this is the time where the Adani Group of companies entered from a negative zone to a positive zone. So is this the right time to enter into the Adani Group of companies? Let me explain you my thoughts so that you could able to take your own decision by doing some analysis on yourself. If you ask me whether is this the right time to enter into the Adani Group of companies, I say no, because whatever the trend which we are seeing right now is not the real trend. This is a fake trend. What I mean to say is, like, whatever the trend, whatever the bullish in the Adani Group of companies is because of the verdict from the Supreme Court and because of the information which was passed to the market from the stock exchange. Still the investigations are going to be happen, and still the investigations are happening right now on the Adani Group of companies. But this is the trend, whatever which was seeing is not the real trend, which where the real buyers are not really entering into the Adani Group of companies right now. I have done a very thorough fundamental analysis as well as the technical analysis. I think you already know the fundamentals of the Adani Group of companies, which they have a lots of debt and they're clearing those debts right now, but still the companies are giving a good quarterly results as well as an annual results. But when it comes into the technical analysis, I don't see any positive zone where more number of real buyers are accumulating into any of these Adani Group of companies. Whatever the trend which we are seeing right now is just a boom, which is going to be a fake out. So I would request all my fellow investors, be cautious to enter before into any of the Adani Group of companies, because I don't see any bullishness in any of the stock. I don't see any positive trend, and I don't see any real buyers which are accumulating in any of the Adani Group of companies. I don't see any pattern in any of the Adani Group of companies. Just because of those news, the stocks were pumped into the higher and making an upper circuit. So I would recommend all my fellow investors to be very cautious when you enter into the Adani Group of companies right now at this point of time. I have bought 3000 Adani Group of companies where, like, I invested in the Adani Power, but that was before 40 days at the time where the Adani Power was in a very lower circuit. I don't recommend to buy right now at this point of time, because like whatever the trends which are happening in the Adani Power are really the fake trends, which are not real trends. So whoever bought the stocks at the time of the lower circuits, they are going to be sell right now and immediately jump out from the Adani Group of companies. So I would request you to please be aware of this information and please stay away from the Adani Group of companies right now until and unless we get a confirmation. Either it could be a technical confirmation, or either it could be a trend confirmation, or either it could be real buyers are accumulating into the Adani Group of stocks. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted a video on breakout stocks and the real estate stocks. Please make sure you do some research on the Adani Group of companies as well. If you really want to know more in detail about the technical analysis, I will provide you the detailed technical analysis charts. If you really require, then please put your comment. Thank you very much. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.